The idle air control valve, or IAC valve, is a crucial component that regulates your engine's idle speed by controlling airflow when your foot isn't on the accelerator pedal. When an IAC valve fails, you'll notice several key symptoms. The first and most common is erratic idle speed, where the RPMs fluctuate unpredictably between 500 and 1500. The second symptom is rough idle, characterized by engine vibration and inconsistent running when the vehicle is stationary. Stalling is another frequent symptom, especially noticeable when coming to a stop or during cold starts when the engine is most dependent on the IAC valve. Conversely, you might experience high idle, where the engine maintains persistent speeds above the normal range, typically 1200 RPM or higher. Difficulty starting the engine, requiring extended cranking time, can also indicate an IAC valve issue, particularly noticeable when the engine is warm. Secondary symptoms may include increased fuel consumption due to improper air-fuel mixture, a check engine light with diagnostic codes P0505 through P0508, and poor performance during idle-dependent operations like parking or sitting in traffic. Recognizing these symptoms early is crucial for preventing more serious engine problems and avoiding costly repairs down the road. Diagnosing IAC valve problems begins with a thorough visual inspection. This critical first step can reveal many common issues before using diagnostic tools. Check for carbon buildup around the IAC valve and throttle body area. Carbon deposits are a leading cause of IAC valve malfunction and can restrict proper airflow. Inspect all electrical connections for corrosion, damage, or loose connections. A faulty electrical connection can cause intermittent IAC valve operation. Examine vacuum lines for cracks, disconnections, or deterioration. Vacuum leaks can cause erratic idle behavior similar to IAC valve problems. After visual inspection, use an OBD2 scanner to check for diagnostic trouble codes. Specific codes like PU505 through P0508 indicate IAC system malfunctions. Key diagnostic trouble codes for IAC valve problems include P0505 for IAC system malfunction, P0506 for idle speed lower than expected, P0507 for idle speed higher than expected, and P0508 for IAC circuit malfunction. Live data monitoring allows you to observe IAC position and compare commanded versus actual idle speed. This real-time analysis helps pinpoint the exact nature of the problem. Monitor key parameters including IAC valve position, commanded idle RPM versus actual RPM, throttle position sensor readings, and engine load values to identify discrepancies. If replacement is necessary, proper preparation is crucial. Start by cleaning the throttle body to remove carbon deposits before installing the new IAC valve. Clean the throttle body thoroughly with appropriate cleaner. Remove carbon buildup from all surfaces and ensure all passages are clear before proceeding with the installation. During installation, always replace O-rings and gaskets to ensure proper sealing. Use correct torque specifications and apply thread locker to mounting bolts as specified by the manufacturer. After installation, perform the manufacturer-specific idle relearn process. This allows the engine control module to adapt to the new IAC valve and establish proper idle parameters. Complete the process with a comprehensive test drive under various load conditions, followed by a final diagnostic scan to confirm no trouble codes are present and the system is operating correctly.